As you may now be aware from last week's announcement made here at TATA Steel from the UK Business Secretary Jonathan Reynolds, work is now underway to build the UK's largest low-carbon steelmaking facility, a state-of-the-art electric arc furnace on this site. This is a major development, and I want to recognise the important role the Council's planning department has played in getting us to this point. Their expertise and commitment was vital in securing planning approval and helping construction to begin. We understand that changes in the steel industry have brought challenges and uncertainty, but the development signals a new direction, one that keeps steel making in Port Talbot and moves us towards a greener, cleaner industry. The electric arc furnace is just one part of a wider transformation, alongside projects like the Celtic Freeport, GCRE and Switch, all bringing opportunities for growth, innovation and long-term jobs in the area. We're also continuing to support workers' families and businesses and with practical help, funding and guidance for those affected. If you need support, please visit npt.gov.uk/TATA Transition. This is a moment of change, but also a moment of opportunity for Port Talbot. Thank you for listening.